So today on my job search app, I'm going to do some customization. And one of the customizations I'm going to do is making some changes to the layout of the record page or layout of the page. So right now I'm at the interview object. So I'm going to go to page layout. And right now we already have the interview page layout. And what I want to do is set up a new page layout. And what I'm going to do is set up a new page layout, and then I'm going to go and assign this new page layout to the interview object. So I'm going to go on the existing one that's already there, and I'm just going to name this the new interview layout. Save that. So some things that I want to change is I want to change some of these. I want to bring up the interview field, and I want to bring that up close. I don't want that to be at the end. So I want that to be right here, the interview part. And also I want to move the account field. It's already there, but I want to move this up a little bit more. I want to move this up by the interview name, the name of the account, or in this case, the company. And then another thing that I want to do is I want to put a section right in here. So let me bring down the section. I want to put a section like right in between here. And I want to name this section after interview. And put steps after the interview. I'm just going to leave it as I want to leave it as a 2-column. So now here is the section, which is the steps after the interview. And now I'm going to bring down the fields that I want to be there. Next phase, interview 2, I want to be there, and I want to do this one. So I want there to be a section, and I'm going to put next phase above that. So this is how I want it. I want it to be the initial part, and then after the interview there are steps that will be doing after the interview. So everything else I'm going to stay the same. So let me save that. And now what I want to do is assign the layout. And let me do edit the assignment. And I am going to, since I am under the profile of System Administrator, I'm just going to put it under that. And I'm going to select New Interview Layout. So there you go, New Interview Layout. I'm going to save. And here you go. So now the next thing, the other object that I want to change is the contact layout. So let me go back to my object manager. Since I'm still here on the field, let me do contacts. There you go, contact. Next text for contact. I'm going to go back to page layout again. I'm going to do another new one. I'm going to base it on the existing one. I don't want to start from scratch. I'm just going to base it on the existing one. And I'm going to name this as I'm just going to put job search contact layout. Hit save. So now with this one, I am going to have on here, I'm still going to keep the contact owner name. I'm going to keep the account name. I'm going to keep title. I'm going to keep the department. I'm going to remove the date of birth. Remove this. I'm going to remove the lead source. I'm keeping the phone. And I'm keeping the phone. I'm going to remove home phone because I have no purpose of having their home phone number. I'm going to keep the mobile, and I'm going to remove other phone. Don't need mobile. I'm going to remove the assistant, and I'm going to remove the assistant phone number. So I'm going to keep the address as there also, and I'm going to keep everything else there. It's just certain fields that I have no need for. The title, keep the department, email address. I'll keep that section with the mailing. And so let me hit save. Then I'm going to do a page layout assignment. I'm going to edit. Once again, I'm going to edit the assignment. I've selected the two profiles that I want is the standard user and the system administrator. I've selected those. I'm going to change it to that job search. 2 changes. Just want to make sure. Go down and looking. You're going to hit save. And I have it signed. So now I'm going to go check these to make sure. Now it's only going to happen with the newer once it's new. So as you see, when you set up a new one, it has my fields, all the fields are the way I wanted them. And there go my step after the interview on this one. And then also it was on the contact. So if I do a new contact, it's going to show. So it'll make it so much easier based on what I was doing. My emails, my mobile. So it leaves out a lot of unnecessary. So I am through for today. I did want to show, I think I stated earlier in this that it didn't change the ones that was already here, and that's not true. That was already created. And there, when I go and look at the page layout, it did go and change. It also changed the page layout for the ones that was already completed. So that will be it for today. I am going to do some more, and also you can leave a message. Thanks and have a great day.